To create a new document in Adobe Photoshop, let's go to File and down to New. This will give us a pop-up dialog box. And the first thing it's going to ask for is to give your document a name. You can keep it the default Untitled, or you can name it anything that you want. So I'm going to call this New Photo. The second thing we need to do is to give it a height, width, and a resolution. Let's check to make sure that our measurements are in inches, and you can do that by clicking on the just to the right of the width or the height, and you can choose from different types of measurement types. There's pixels, centimeters, points, a bunch of different things, but let's make sure that inches is selected for both the height and the width. And from here you can type in any custom dimension that you want. So let's make this one 5 inches by 5 inches. The resolution is how detailed do you want your document to be. Normal screen resolution is about 72 dots per inch, and a good photographic resolution is about 300 dots per inch. Anything more will give you certainly better quality, but it'll also give you a larger file size. You can see how big your file size is estimated to be at the bottom right hand side of this dialog box. You can see it's already 8.5 megabytes, which is pretty big. But that's normal for a normal sized photograph. The third thing we need to check for is our color mode. Anything that's going to be printed off on your color printer needs to be in Cmyk color. If you'll click on it, you can see there's some different color modes other people work in, such as the bitmap, grayscale, or RGB. The only two we're going to worry with working with are Cmyk or RGB. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, and those are made specifically for documents that you view on your color monitor, because your color monitor only uses red, green, and blue to make the colors. So I'm going to choose Cmyk just for this one. And I've got my height, width, and resolution set. And if you want, let's make sure that our background is always white. Once you've got everything typed in, simply hit OK. And now we have our new document. I can click and move it out and begin working on it.